Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to add SharePoint to Windows Explorer in 2025. If you're tired of switching between apps to access your SharePoint files, this tutorial is for you. It's a game changer for productivity, especially if you use Microsoft 365 for work or school. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the prerequisites: a Windows 11 or later system, access to a SharePoint site, and the latest updates installed. This ensures everything runs smoothly without any hitches. Step 1. Open Windows Explorer by pressing the Windows key plus E in the address bar. Type the URL of your SharePoint site, like https://yourcompany.sharepoint.com. Hit enter, and it should prompt you to sign in. Step 2. Once signed in, right-click on the SharePoint folder you want to access and select Map Network Drive from the context menu. Choose a drive letter, say Z, and check the box that says Reconnect at Sign In for easy access every time. Step 3. If you encounter any permissions issues, double-check your SharePoint settings or ensure you're using the correct credentials. Sometimes, you might need to enable Web Client Service. Go to Services by searching in the Start menu, find Web Client, and set it to Automatic. Step 4. Test it out. Your SharePoint files should now appear in Windows Explorer just like any local drive. You can drag and drop files, organize folders, and even search within them seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated SharePoint into Windows Explorer for 2025. This setup saves you time and keeps your workflow efficient. If you run into any problems, drop a comment below, and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.